Now that we've applied keywords to the BMW model cars, let's repeat the same steps for the Mercedes and Porsche cars in our gallery. Remember to change the keywords to match the car model. So this time I'm going to filter by file name, but starting with Porsche. So these are all the Porsche images. I'll go ahead and highlight all of them by clicking on the first one, holding Shift and clicking on the last one. I'll select the paint can, select keywords, and this time I'm just going to replace the BMW keyword with Porsche. And then click on one of the thumbnails. So we have our success message. We can also see this little icon has been added to each image. That's the keyword icon. I'll put the paint can back. I'll deselect the images and then click on each one while confirming that the keywords have been accurately inputted in the keywording panel. Okay, now I'll do Mercedes. Remember when you're done to put the paint can back and just deselect your images.